This is the P-6000 automatic sanitizing booth by Panelman. Panelman is a leading engineering company with its core focus on quality and delivering on time. As the impact of COVID-19 is felt across the globe, the focus is on preventing cross-contamination. The P-6000 does exactly that. It provides a full-body disinfection ideal for schools, factories, and shopping centres. The P-6000 offers a non-contact hand sanitizing dispenser, 6 industrial spraying nozzles, a 370-watt electric pump, and a state-of-the-art automatic control system. It has a disinfection capacity of 300 persons per hour. One of the unique features of the P-6000 is its innovative design. 2 ramps, one in the front and one in the back, allows for easy wheelchair access as well as the ability to sanitize the whole trolley upon entering and exiting a shop. Panelman owns a 5,000 square metre production facility capable of producing 500 P-6000 units per month and can scale if the need arises. Panelman is a Level 2 BEE contributor and ISO quality certified. We are all in this together. Panelman Engineering is proud to be part of the solution.